Hi there, my name is Simon, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to make some passive income on your cryptocurrencies by staking them on the KuCoin exchange. I'm going to show you everything on my computer so you can easily follow along and set this up for yourself. So let's not waste any time and get started right away. So let's now look at staking on KuCoin. Now, I'm not going to go too much into what staking actually is at its core. I'm going to leave a video down below in the description that'll explain to you exactly what staking actually is and what proof of stake actually means. But basically, you can earn some passive income, some interest on the cryptocurrency that you're holding by participating in confirming transactions by locking up some of your cryptocurrency. So with KuCoin, they have a separate platform called PoolX where you can transfer your funds to, which is very easy, and then you can make use of earning some passive income on these coins. Now we're going to go into how this works. So when we're going to go to finance here on your KuCoin account, just go to finance and then we go to earn. Then it will take us over to the PoolX platform. So here on the PoolX platform, the first thing that you see is mostly some kind of promotions of coins that you can stake for a higher percentage than usual, which is mostly kind of a promotion. So when we scroll down here and go to staking right here, and then we can click on more on the right side right here, and then we can see all the coins that you can currently stake. Now, one thing that you have to understand with PoolX or KuCoin staking is that they have two kind of different ways. So they have the flexible terms right here, and then they have the fixed terms, which they call staking. So let's talk about the flexible terms first. So with the flexible terms, it just means that you will get a lower interest, but in exchange for that, you'll be able to withdraw your cryptocurrency at any time from your PoolX account. So here you can see all the cryptocurrencies that are currently available for flexible staking. For example, let's go to ADA because I have some ADA in my KuCoin account. So currently for Cardano, I'm getting 1.5% annual yield for just putting my coins on the PoolX account. So all I would have to do here is click on transfer on the right side, and then I'm going to transfer over my my ADA, my 7 ADA from my main account of KuCoin to my PoolX account. So I'm going to click on max here, click on confirm, and just like that, the ADA, the Cardano sitting around my account is now in my PoolX account, and I'm basically earning interest on them. Now, mostly the interest is a lot lower compared to if I would stake those coins and lock them up for a certain amount of time, which is what we're going to talk about now. So I believe you currently can stake Cardano here, but let's just compare, let's say Polkadot. So Polkadot is currently, with the flexible terms, you get a 5% annual yield. And when we go to staking, it's going to be a 14.3% annual yield, which is a lot higher compared to the flexible terms. But you have a redemption period of 28 days, which means that if you want to withdraw your Polkadot at some point, you're going to have to wait 28 days. So I'm going to show you what this means because I have actually staked some Polkadot here just to kind of try it out. So when I go to assets right here on the top, and then I go to lockup history right here, then I can see I have staked 1.97 Polkadot, and the status is currently locked. So when I want to take back those Polkadot into my main account, and I want to be able to trade it, I have to click on the redeem right here. So here to redeem, so as you can see here, the redemption process of Polkadot requires 28 days and no staking profit will be generated during this period. So you basically lose liquidity by locking up your coins. But in exchange for that, you're gonna get an interest of a certain rate every single day on whatever you have staked here. So I have staked Polkadot, I think a couple of days ago. So now when I go to earnings here on the top right, I can see my current earnings. So currently, I have earned total staking earnings 0.0000038 Bitcoin, which is $0.02 US. But again, I have only staked it for like 1 day. So obviously it's not that much. And also I don't have staked, I only have like staked $80, which is nothing. So, and next to the staking earnings, you also get the POL mining earnings, which stands for proof of liquidity mining earnings. Now, I don't 100% understand how they are actually, like what's behind the system. If you are interested in that, you can go to PoolX platform, and then they kind of have an overview of how this works right here. But to be honest, I don't fully understand how this works. So I'm not going to try to explain it to you here now. But that's basically how you can stake your coins. So let's say you wanna go ahead and lock up some of your coins. Again, let's go back to PoolX. Then we're gonna go to staking, click on more, and then you wanna decide on your coin. So I don't know if I have any other coins I can stake actually. So let's see. Let's go to, let's just again go to Polkadot and go to staking. Again, for flexible terms, all I need to do is click on transfer and then it's done. And for staking, you actually have to subscribe. So click on subscribe here, and then you have to transfer the amount that you wanna stake over to your PoolX account, and then you can type in the amount you want to stake here. So let's say, I don't know, let's say 5 Polkadot. I actually don't have 5 Polkadot here, but here you can see an overview of the currently given out annual yield, the maximum available, the redemption period. So how long does it take until you can get your funds back once you redeem them, and you can also read this, and then you have to agree here, and then click on subscribe, and then your coins will be added to the staking pool, and then you can go to earnings as well. And then after a couple of days, you will see your earnings right here. So basically every day you're going to see earnings coming in to your PoolX account. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, I'd really appreciate if you'd click that thumbs up button down below. Also, if you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Also, if you want to see more videos just like this one, make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.